Daphne Fernandez, and today I'm going to be sharing some of my beauty and fitness tips. Well, I try to work out as much as I can in the morning, you know, a lot of water, and I try and drink up as much as I can in the morning itself because I find it difficult to, you know, sustain that throughout the day. What else? A healthy breakfast. That's very, very important to start your day with a good, healthy breakfast. But yeah, try and get your workout done in the morning because it's really difficult to go work out in the evening, for me at least. Well, yeah, I mean, like obviously we had a beach song, so I had to control my carbs a little bit. When we did the pole dance, you know, because that was pretty intensive workout, I had to actually increase my carbs so I had enough energy to continue with the training. So yeah, diet plays an important part in an actor's life, especially in different aspects of what we're, you know, shooting. So yes, those are the two main adjustments I think I had to make. I have my last meal if, you know, I'm on routine. I will have my last meal around 7 or 8, and if I'm off routine, which obviously happens in the life of an actor, it will be probably around 9:30. My favorite meal to make today is breakfast. Like I love breakfast, and I love breakfast food, you know, so anything to do with granola and peanut butter and smoothies, pancakes, like those are my favorite types of food. So yeah, but I always believe in having a hearty breakfast, and I think that you know, you can actually get away with a lot of calories in your breakfast, so it's fine. It's okay to cheat from time to time, trust me, like I'm no diet angel myself, but I just think you need to be aware of when you're cheating so that you know the next day you will have to kind of either work out a little bit more or eat a little bit less, and that's what's important. I think that's actually the key. So you actually will then be more mindful about cheating next time. My favorite cheat meal?
Hi guys, this is Janvi Kapoor and I'm going to tell you all what I eat in a day. I think so because I was trying to put on weight for my film and I kept eating and I wasn't putting on weight, so now I eat like a beast, but I get paranoid, so I work out like extra to make sure I don't put on the weight. I have a spoon of ghee. Parathas with dahi. Lunch I'll have parathas with paneer makhni, dal makhni, bhindi, Gujarati dal, methi dal and palak paneer. I recently turned veg. Today I had fish though. Dinner I like to keep it light, so I'll have red rice biryani. Yeah, I love chocolates. I love ice creams. I love ice creams. Depends what time I'm up till. When there's night shoot, I keep eating the full night to keep myself awake. But I'll try to have my last meal at like before 10. I'm an early riser, but I'm right now very jet lagged, so I'm sleeping in late. I feel like the full day is like one continuous meal. Like I just keep eating. Something that I can cook. I make really good like nachos with cheese. So whenever I travel abroad, I buy like a lot of nachos and I just put like grated pepper jack and cheddar on top and I put it in the microwave, and then when it comes out, it's just like yummy and perfect and easy to eat. I have phases, so right now ragi sweet potato paratha is like a huge thing for me. I keep eating it. Gluten, my body doesn't digest it well. This whole low carb thing, I used to follow it a lot, and then recently I really started upping my carbs just because for energy and
Hi, this is Jennifer Wingett, and here I am to reveal to you what I eat in a day. I used to be, but not anymore. Now I have to work hard for it. A little bit. I mean, I stopped eating late dinners, and I think my problem is only that I eat a lot in the night, and that I had to stop, which is very, very difficult. And the day the show got over, I have started eating like a pig. I do have a glass of warm water as soon as I wake up, and I do have a shot of amla and something else she puts in, I don't know, but amla for sure. Aloe vera, I think, I don't know. But no, see, I'm not really. I eat all my meals properly. During Codem, I love rice. I love rice so much. I can eat rice, you know, all through the day. So I stopped a little of rice intake when I was shooting for Codem. But other than that, no, I just stopped snacking, which I do a lot in between, but I kept eating my regular meals, lunch and everything from home. Whatever is made at home, I'm not very fussy about eating. I eat whatever is made at home. be dal, rice, chicken, yeah, fish, everything. So now depends because I'm doing a daily soap. Sometimes I get home late, so but I try and eat by 9:30, which I want to actually make it to 7:30. I'm trying, but it's not easy. I like Asian cuisine the best. I did, yeah. So there was a sequence in Kodam where I had to play basketball, and believe it or not, I don't know how to play basketball. Though I've done shows where I've really played basketball, but I don't know how to play it. So we did have a few training sessions so that at least obviously you don't learn basketball in a day or two, but to get to be comfortable with playing the sport. So we did have a few training sessions there, and we did that. I did a lot of Pilates to get my core strengthened, which I'd never done before, and I really enjoyed doing Pilates. And earlier I used to only concentrate a lot on yoga, right? But during Kodam I did Pilates. We did a few with the action master. We did a few sessions where I learned how to fight. So that was interesting and fun, and I loved every bit. Of course. I mean, certain changes had to be made to the diet, to fitness, to working out. And people who know me know that I'm a very lazy person. I love my comfort zone, so it's a little. But characters like these, they actually push me, and it helps me to extend my boundaries. Because if you think of an army officer, I don't really have the, I'm not have the, you would think of a tall person to play this role who has the body language already, right? But they had the faith in me that no matter how my body is, I will play the part well, and I'm hoping I did. So it took some work to get the body language right, to get the diction right, to get the action sequences right, because I was really unsure of it, whether I'll be able to do it convincingly or not. But we have an amazing director on show, Akshay Chaubey, and I'm really thankful. I think for me, mornings, I don't know how it works for everyone else, but me, definitely mornings. Chicken and roti or some protein. Dude, I eat everything every day. So I don't starve myself to death, or I will, because what happens is if you stop yourself from eating something and then you crave for it and then you eat it even more. So I give myself little treats wherever I can, and I eat everything. I eat and I work out, so I maintain a good balance so my body is not craving for things. No, I eat everything. I really do eat everything. I'm not kidding. Depends from person to person, right? Because everybody's bodies are different and everybody enjoys a different form of exercise. So for me, I love yoga because I feel that yoga, and now Pilates, it is so amazing, and I have an amazing trainer, Neelam. So for me, it'll be yoga and Pilates, because along with getting your body fit, it also, your mind is also well balanced, and there is this peace that happens after my yoga session. So and Pilates also, I've realized that it not just gives you muscles and tones your body, but there's a certain flexibility that happens in your body, and I really enjoy that process of, I really enjoy Pilates. Kodam being my first ever digital debut, I'm extremely nervous and excited, and excited even more now because the trailer has been received so well. It's amazing. I mean, I do like to take up different characters, right? Whatever I play. And now after having done a revenge drama, romantic soap, now to an action-packed, it's not a thriller, but an action-packed show which is on web, so it kind of gives you a little more freedom to do things the way you. So I'm just hoping and praying that the way people have loved the trailer, they also love the show as much or